a very good amateur at a very young age. By the time he was 10, he was #1 in the U.S. His amateur mark was 221 and 9.
Congratulations, Julian. Great win tonight. I know every time you fight, you want to see improvement and improvement in yourself. I think you showed that tonight. How would you evaluate your performance?
Line them up, man.
Like, you weren't just some Joe Schmo that said, hey, let me play this boxing sport. Like, on day one, you had a God-gifted talent.